Former Ashgold player Seth OSEI currently on the Kumasi Asante Kotoko radar so that crash of folk radar so akoye twema mentwe player no koha no akodi nkomo no wabaha no wabedi nkomo na some supporters of Kumasi Asante Kotoko crowd omobo ahyase efu se de Seth OSEI no onye very careful untimi emfa oma akoma media grossa Seth OSEI in the midst of okaha or baha no a break his silence wakotra de bi at Facebook the corner wakotro no a generate comment pa because ofili say ono de onye bibia a team na pen nti sa team open na nkomodie e koso a wo se odi ne nkomo at the end of the day no baby a ebe seti amano no wakobo Seth OSEI I can wasem yi ne Kotoko edi nkomo on South African club bi edi nkomo na recent current one abruchi I think Malaysia ho baby nso odi nkomo se foreign offer Seth OSEI enti ama Kotokofo no boafu Seth OSEI history kakra ne say last year on Nations FC ye report say oko Nations FC ema o share training as but last minute and of fetch no ko sign ma foreign club ewo Israel yes enti amanfo hu ne say eya ye ne suban enti bashin kono so pa na ewie me monitor ne o social media no so following bashin na kono so no na 16 minutes ago okotro we egu no Facebook timeline so or say God is faithful and ode enyumbi eto ase because of copyright nsemunti mintimi monyom ne maw na chese enyoma ode to ase na chese nyankopon eye no kwafo a nyankopon eventually obeka na asemama no God is faithful ode to ho no commentaries kakra ehya ase ebae following the commenter ode koto no say change your ways you always use Ghanaian teams to get better deals pacho what you say abamfo hu ne say tem bia no o use Ghanaian teams no na ode enya media attention no de yakope big deal abrochi no say massa where are you going and set all the best obi say God will do what we don't expect daddy and I also the buy say bola I pray you go higher that is a commentaries no and so akoye in a divided varied opinions and but no matter what you look at it Seth OSEI also very careful untimi mfa clubs akese mienu Kotoko and has a media grown to set baby a ubia no you have to be very careful and dealing with this club you have to be honest but they meet me I can't about or purported move all around and no Super 24 TV